Hi guys, it's Itsmeabae. Welcome back to my channel. You know the usual. I know the usual. I'm gonna say it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I did a wash day today. It was very long but rewarding, of course. So I'm here to show you guys what I did with my clear treatment of bentonite, shikakai, and amla powder. This is also my form of deep conditioning my natural hair to define my curls, to moisturize my hair, to keep my hair nice, healthy, stretchy, and shiny. If you want to see how I apply this mixture to my 4C thick natural hair, keep watching.
You lost in the shade, but
If you haven't seen my other video, you should check my description box down below, and I also have a link to the video where I actually give you the directions and instructions of how I make my bentonite clay mask, and then you can come back to watch this video. It'll make more sense that way. Hi guys, I'm back. My hair is now cleaned. I shampoo. Cleaned is a word? My hair is now clean. I shampooed it, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my lovely clay mixture. Look at the consistency. So just gonna put away a section. Now this task is messy. Why can't I find? Yeah, this task is messy. I gave you a warning, just saying. What I like to do, I like to first off, I don't know why this is doing this. Sorry guys, I had to switch the angle of my camera because my front lens was doing the most. Anywho, so I have my hair in sections currently. It's freshly washed, it's still wet. Now I'm gonna apply the clay to my damp hair and work in section by section. I like to make sure that I get some clay onto my roots, especially on my scalp, and I massage it and work it in there. Also, try to run your fingers through your hair to evenly distribute the clay, or you can use your white tooth comb. Now you're gonna see me squinting a bit because I have peppermint and rosemary oil in this, and it tends to make my eyes burn. So if you see me squinting, that's why. And you're always going to want to apply this to your hair while it's damp. If your hair gets dry in the process of application, you can always spritz your hair with some water. Don't forget to show your ends some love, because the ends of your hair are considered the oldest part of your hair. So after I'm finished applying to one section, I put it back in a plait and I clip it away so that I can get access to the other plaits. So I'm going to show you guys one more plait, and then I'm going to go off camera and finish my hair. Just me running my hands down the shafts of my hair. That's just me trying to work the clay into my hair. So I'm just showing you guys the texture of my hair when I apply the clay. Clip these away and then continue. Hello, I think you're forgetting one thing. Did you comment yet? Did you subscribe? Did you like my video? If you didn't, please do so now. Thank you, I'll appreciate it. So guys, I'm done. This is my hair. My scalp is tingling right now because of the peppermint and rosemary oil. It's supposed to stimulate growth, get my scalp all glowy and I had some clay remaining, so I just put the rest on my face. Normally I would not put it because of the peppermint and tea tree oil because it's strong, it's an essential oil, but I didn't want to waste it. So right now my face is tingling, borderline burning. So I'll rinse it off just now. Okay, so what I usually do, I clip the plaits into sections. So I'm going to show you guys. Now I still have clay between my fingers, right? Clip it like this, and if I find like my hairline and stuff feels dry, I will just spritz it with water. My hair, I will just spritz it with water, but my hair is not dry right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a plastic bag to steam. I'm going to put it over my head. Like so. And I'm going to do housework, whatever stuff I need to get done around the house. I'll go do it so I can build up my body heat and give myself a steam. I will leave this in for an hour. And I'm going to rinse it and come back to you guys and show you guys the after of me rinsing all this. An hour has passed. Let me take down my hair and show you guys. After this step, I rinse section by section. You have to make sure and rinse each section properly. Remember, it is clay, and when clay solidifies, it becomes hard. So when you're in the shower and you're rinsing, you need to let the water continuously flow to wash down the clay sediment so it won't cause a build-up and clog your pipes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Keep posted on my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell when I upload more videos. My next video is going to be on how I detangle and prep my 4C natural hair for wash day. So if you're struggling with your natural hair, sis and sir, come back to my channel. Thanks. Bye.